Good morning students. This is the second video of active and passive voice. In this video we will learn about the conversion of each and every sentences separately. I hope you have gone through the last video and you have learned all the fundamental rules of conversion of voice. So let's start. The first one is present indefinite sentence. Present indefinite sentence in active voice is written in the form subject plus V1 or V5 plus object, and when it is converted into passive, then it is written like object plus is or am plus V3 plus by plus subject. See the example. She drives my car. She is the subject, drives V5, my car object. But when this sentence got converted into passive, then my car came to the first place and she went to the next place, and by the rules of conversion of preposition, you can see that she is changed into her. Then we have to use is or am, as my car is singular, that's why we have used is, and then we need to write V3. So V3 of drive is driven and then by. So she drives my car will be converted into my car is driven by her. Next one is present continuous tense. Present continuous sentence. The structure of present continuous sentence is subject plus is MR plus V4 plus object. But when you will convert any sentence of present continuous, then it will be written like object plus is MR plus being plus V3 by subject. Like see, I am writing a letter. I is the subject, am is the auxiliary verb that is used with I, then writing V4 or letter object. When it got converted into passive or letter, then is MR from the group is MR we choose is, then V4 of be, being, and then V3 of the main verb that is writing, so it will be written then by and then me. So this is how you will convert any sentence of present continuous tense. Next one is present perfect sentence. You write present perfect sentence in the form subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. But when you will convert this sentence into passive, so you will start with object, then you will copy has or have, then been, and then V3, then by subject. Like see, she has finished her work. She subject has auxiliary verb used with she, finished, and then her work object. But it got converted into passive like this, her work at the first place. Then we have to write has or have, as her work is singular, so has. Then we have to write been, and then we have to write the third form of the main verb. So the main verb is finished. The third form of finished is finished only, and then by and then subject. Fourth one is past indefinite sentence. Past indefinite sentence is written in the form subject plus V2 plus object. But when you will convert in passive, it will be like object plus was verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. See, she subject killed V2 a snake object. Now snake that was object, then we have to write either was or were, then we will write was, then V3 killed, then by, and then subject. Fifth one is past continuous sentence. Past continuous is written in the form subject plus was verb plus V4 plus object, and in passive it will be written in the form object plus was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Like see the example. He is the subject, Was is the auxiliary, then driving is in V4, and then a car object. In passive, a car at the first place, then was as car is singular, then being, then V3 drive in, and by and him. Sixth one is past perfect sentence. Past perfect sentence is written in the form subject plus had plus V3 plus object, and in passive it will be written in the form object plus had been plus V3 plus by plus subject. They is the subject, had is just we have only one option had, that's why had, then V3 completed, then the object is assignment, and in the passive first of all object, so the assignment, then had been, then V3 is completed, and then by plus subject, by plus subject. Next one is future indefinite sentence. Future indefinite sentence is written in the form subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object, and in passive object plus will shall plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. From example C, I is the subject, shall from the group will or shall, then make V1 and then a table object. In passive, a table is object, will or shall, so we will use will, then be, so be, and then V3, so V3 of make is made, and then by plus subject, so by plus me. So this is how you will convert the sentences of tense in passive voice. So you have to just remember the fundamental rules. The fundamental rules is that if any sentence is written like subject, then verb, then object, when you will convert this sentence into passive, then object will be at first place, subject will be at last place, means the places of the subject and object will be interchanged. Second rule was that we have to add by before subject, then we have to convert the main verb into V3, then we have to use B group according to the condition. So this is how you will do the conversion process. Now let's look to the another topic, that is, if you now you have learned how to do conversion, but what you will do if there will be two objects in a sentence. So for that, if there will be two objects in a sentence, then you have to choose any one. It's not mandatory that you will choose the first one only or the second one only. You can use any of the two. Like see example, she told us a story. She is the subject, told is the verb, us is first object, a story is second object. Now you can construct sentence, you can convert this into passive using both the objects. In the first sentence, we have used the object us. So us, when it will be at the place of subject, it will be we, then were, we have to use VB verb, so were, then told V3, and then a story by her. But you can write the sentence using another object also, like a story was told to us by her. In both the sentences, you can see that the sentences are starting with the subject, ending with the object, and the object is same because there is only one object, then by, and then you can see V3 form is there, and you have to choose B group. So in the first it was we, so we took were, a story is singular, that's why we chose was, and here as we have used the first object here, so you can't omit the second object, you have to use that also. So we have used it here, and in the second one we have used it here. Why we didn't use it as the last? Because the last position is always taken by the subject in the passive, which becomes object. See the next example. They appointed him an ambassador. They is the subject, appointed is the verb, and him is the first object. An ambassador is the second object. Now you can write using any of the two. So first of all we will take him. Him, when it will be written at the subject's place, so it will be converted into he, then verb from B group was, then appointed, and after that an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. Now you will say that here there is the word by them is missing. So here the word by them is missing because in some sentences we can omit the subject. And in which type of sentences? The sentences in which it is known that what will be the subject. So you don't have to make it clear which one is subject. So in those type of sentences we can omit subject. Next sentence can be formed using the second object, that is an ambassador was appointed to him by them. Now see the next example. The story has taught us a good lesson. So you can convert it in two ways. First of all, we have been taught a good lesson by the story. Second one, a good lesson has been taught to us by the story. Means the subjects are same by the story. This structure is also same. Have been taught, has been taught. Have is for plural, has for singular. Structure same, but in the first sentence we used we, and in the second sentence we used a good lesson. Means we constructed sentences, we converted this active voice sentence into passive voice using both the objects. That means you can do conversion if you find two verbs in a sentence, two objects in a sentence, then you can do conversion using any of the two. So this much was in the chapter voice. So we will meet again in the new video. Up to then, just keep reading, keep learning.